Hey, it's another great day in Orange County, California. And today I want to talk about this funky looking striped line in the street here. It's called shark teeth. Officially it's called a giveaway line. It's to inform drivers when they need to yield, give priority to pedestrians on a crosswalk or to other vehicles that might be around. And typically you find these on roundabouts or just before a crosswalk right here, where there's no stop sign around to tell people that they have to stop. You find these out in Europe. Instead of stop signs, they have these shark teeth here, and they point towards the vehicle that has priority at an intersection. This way out here. So as you approach our give-way line, you need to slow down, assess the area for pedestrians, other cars, and then if there's nobody here, you simply proceed onward. But if there is somebody in the crosswalk or wanting to cross the street, you treat this like a limit line at a stop sign. You stop your vehicle right here to allow people ample room to get over the crosswalk without getting hit. All right? But only stop if it's necessary. If you stop when you don't need to, you're going to cause a bigger problem as well. So on the other side of the street, our crosswalk is way over there. We'll find our shark teeth in our giveaway line right here by the yield sign with our pedestrians. So if somebody's in the crosswalk on that side of the street, you need to stop here to allow them to safely pass. And I'll show you what it's like from my dash cam as we approach our shark teeth giveaway line. Now here's what it feels like to approach our giveaway line. Look for the signs, the hazards, slow down a little bit, look both ways, nobody's crossing, and continue on. Very simple. Well, there you go. That's a story of this funky little shark tooth design out in the middle of the street by our crosswalk here. Keep everybody safe on the roads. There you go. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.